students, hope you have completed exercise 12.1 and 12.2. Today we will discuss some important questions based on Heron's formula given in RS Agarwal book, in which first question I have taken the height of equilateral triangle is 6 cm and we have to find its area. For that I have given you the formula for height of equilateral triangle. It is √3 by 2a. So height of equilateral triangle is given in the question, it is 6 cm. So 6 is equal to √3 by 2a. So a will be, this 2 will come this side, it is 6 into 2 by √3. Now this we got the value of the side of the triangle. Now this value of side of triangle will be used in the formula of area of equilateral triangle, which is √3 by 4 a square. So at the place of a we can put 6 into 12, 6 into 2, 12 by √3 whole square. So 12 by √3 whole square is 12 by √3 into 12 by √3. And this √3 by 4 will be multiplied with this. √3 will get cancelled. This 4 and 12 can cancel, 1 and 3. So we have 12 into 3 by √3. This 3 can be written √3 into √3 by √3. √3 can get cancelled. We are left with 12 √3 centimeter square. So area of equilateral triangle is 12 √3 centimeter square. Now students, see second question. If the area of equilateral triangle is 36 √3 centimeter square, we have to find its perimeter. For that, area of equilateral triangle formula is √3 by 4a square. So 36 √3 centimeter square, which is given the area, will be equated with √3 by 4a square. By leaving a square this side, this 4 and √3 will come. 4 will multiply with the numerator and √3 will come in the denominator. So √3 we can cancel and we are left with 36 into 4. By removing this square sign from this side we will get the square root of 36 and 4. 36 into 4. 36 can be written as 6 into 6 and 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So from these 2, 6, 1 6 will come out, and from these 2 2's 1 2 will come out. So A will be 12 centimeter. Now we have to find the perimeter. We know perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 multiplied by A, or which is 3 into 12, or it is 36 centimeter. If the question says find the height, you can easily find the height by the formula √3 by 2a. Come to the next question. Now see question number 33 of RS Agarwal book, exercise 14, that the difference between the semi-perimeter and the sides of triangle ABC are 8 cm, 7 cm and 5 cm. We have to find the area of triangle. Semi-perimeter and the sides, difference is given to you. So if the sides of the triangle is A, B and C, according to the question, what is given? Semi-perimeter and the sides. This means S minus A is 8 cm, S minus B is 7 cm and S minus A is 5 cm. So with the help of this, we have to find the value of S. So let us add these three equations. S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C. So we have added left hand side, so we have to add right hand side as well. 8 plus 7 plus 5. So S, S and S. All the three will be added and we have 3S. Minus sign I am taking out common from these three. So minus sign is out. So in bracket we have A plus B plus C will be equal to 8 plus 7 plus 5 is 20. So see, we know that S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So when this 2 is coming this side, we have 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. So at the place of A plus B plus C, we can put 2S. 3S minus 2S is equal to S. That is 20. So we get the value of semi-perimeter as 20. Now we can find the area of triangle by the formula under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So we have 20 as we have calculated 8 into 7 into 5. When we will calculate, it is coming 20 √14 centimeter square. Now we are going to discuss RS Agarwal book question number 21. It is saying that the sides of a quadrilateral ABCD taken in order are 6 cm, 8 cm, 12 cm and 14 cm respectively. And the angle between the first two sides is a right angle. find its area. So for that, first we will make a quadrilateral, and we have to keep it in mind that first two sides AB and BC. First side is AB, second side is BC. The angle between these two is 90 degrees. So let us complete the quadrilateral. Suppose it is completed ABCD. Now taken in order. So this AB is 6 cm, second side BC 8 cm, third side 12 cm, and the fourth side is 14 cm. Question says to find its area. For that, let us first join AC. You can see this AB, BC and AC forms a right angle triangle because it is 90 degree. So we can find AC by Pythagoras theorem. AC is equal to under root AB square plus BC square. So it will be under root 6 square plus 8 square, which is 36 plus 64, or it is 100, which will come out as 10 centimeter. So AC value is coming 10 centimeter. Now its area of triangle ABC we can calculate by half base into height. So it is half base into height. By putting at the place of base 6 and at the place of height 8, we can easily get the area of ABC. Similarly, area of triangle ADC can be calculated by Heron's formula. Then you will add both the areas. Root 6 value is also given. So maybe in triangle, in finding area of ADC, you will get at last root 6. Which value you have to substitute, and you will have to get the perfect value. Then you add area of these two triangles, you will get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Students, you are asking that according to the new syllabus, area of quadrilateral is removed from the syllabus. But it's not true. From Heron's formula, whatever questions based on area of quadrilateral and can be solved by Heron's formula, we will have to do that. So we will complete exercise 14. Let us move some more questions. Students, see, we will discuss question number 21 of R.S. Agrawal book. This is find the area of shaded region in the figure below. You can see here a triangle ABC is given, in which in between somewhere point D is there. With this A and B is joined. So we are getting a new triangle ADB. And ADB is containing some part of triangle ABC. So we have to find the area of this shaded region. So for that, what shall we do? We will calculate the area of ABC and we will subtract ABD from that. So we will get the area of shaded region. But for calculating area of ABC, we need the side AB because two sides are given, AC and BC. But triangle ADB is a right angle triangle. You can see AD and BD. The side opposite to the right angle triangle is hypotenuse, means AB is hypotenuse for the triangle ADB. So AB we can calculate by under root 12 square plus 16 square. 12 square is 144, 16 square is 256, which is under root 400, which is coming out as 20 centimeters. So we got AB as 20 centimeters. Now area of triangle ABD we can calculate by half base into height. At the place of base we can put 12 and at the place of height we can put 16. So area of ABD is coming 96 centimeters square. Now area of ABC we can calculate by Heron's formula. All the three sides are known. You will find it out. Then area of shaded region will be calculated by area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle ABD. Now I think you can complete it. Try to complete all the questions of exercise 14, and next day we will start lines and angles of your syllabus. So all the best, students. Thank you.